Hello everyone! In this video, you'll learn how to create your first mock server and an API using Beeceptor, a powerful tool that speeds up your development process. But first, let's talk about why you need a mock server. When starting a new project or adding features to an existing project, having a mock server is immensely helpful. It allows you to simulate the behavior of the backend and test your application without needing the actual backend. This ensures fewer dependencies between front-end and back-end teams, ensuring a smoother and faster workflow. Now, assume that you are building a product listing screen for an e-commerce application. First, open Beeceptor. Pick a name for your mock server, and you'll get a dedicated HTTP endpoint, where you can build one or more APIs. This endpoint will be the base URL of your mock server. Next, click on Mock Rules and then Create Rule. Here, you'll define the HTTP method, request path, response status code, and the desired API response. Once you're done, click the Save Rule button to publish the new behavior instantly. You can also copy the API's path from here. Use the API path in the application's code. On running, you'll see Beeceptor doing what's required. The product listing screen is powered from the mock data. On the Beeceptor dashboard, you can see all incoming requests and responses in real time. Setting up a mock server and getting a sample API is that simple with Beeceptor. Give it a try and see how it can accelerate your development workflow.